Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So today we're gonna talk about this monthly chart, this weekly chart, this 3-day trend line on the RSI and what does it mean, and this daily chart with RSI patterns, what are telling us right now. So let's dive in the daily chart. As you can see, we are still in this rising wedge. We had a gravestone doji yesterday with this triple top, which is the red box here. We got rejected for the third time, which also comes into play exactly. Let me zoom out. This is the weekly pullback of this blue line. So we have the red triple top box, we have the blue line from the weekly pattern, the megaphone pattern. Also we have, let me zoom in again on the daily, on the weekly. Also this candle got rejected with the weekly 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. As you can see, from the last top to the last bottom, the retracement level comes into play exactly at the daily triple top and the weekly blue trend line. So all these three, even with the doji formation, gravestone doji, these are four things showing us a potential shift in momentum to the downside right again. So what I'm expecting right now is the break of the daily pattern. Let me zoom in on the daily. I'm expecting a rejection right here, right now, and a break to possibly retest this 19K area, which will in fact, and right now we are speculating, which would form a W pattern on the weekly. We have also the RSI pattern on the daily, which is the ascending broadening wedge, and as you can see, we already have 3 times like this pattern and they all broke down to the downside, like I am showing you with these circles right now. So history might repeat itself, and all these bearish things right here are showing us that we might in fact break this pattern to the downside. On the daily, we have this trend line which is signaling always a rejection in price. As you can see, this top we got rejected right here, this top we got rejected right here, this top we got rejected right here. So this top right now we are testing, we are potentially getting rejected right here. So we have another bearish scenario on the 3-daily chart. Let's zoom on the weekly chart. As you can see on the weekly, let me zoom in. On the weekly, we are still making this pullback after this megaphone pattern break, and we are potentially getting rejected by those things right here, the 0.236, the trend line, etc, etc. So we in fact might get rejected also on the weekly. And right now let's move on the monthly, which is the only bullish scenario we have. On the monthly, as you can see, we have these curved resistance and support trend lines. Red is the resistance, green is the support. As you can see, this trend line has never been broken in these past 11 years. We only wigged down as a monthly candle. Last month we got supported, in fact, with this green support trend line. It was also the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level from this below, from the March 20 low to the November 21 high. In fact, it was the 0.76 exactly retracement level. Also, this support and bounce got supported by the 2017 bull run high. So we have 3 consecutive in confluence things that are telling us on the monthly we reached the bottom. There's also the last one on the RSI. You can clearly see that when we hit this orange line on the RSI, which is a value of 43.77 or in that vicinity, we reach the bottom for the monthly chart. So right now we are exactly supporting, being supported by this line, so we are potentially ready for the next bull run. But as I told you, that doesn't mean we cannot have another red candle right here to retest the 19K. So that's it guys from me today. See you on the next update.